Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Monday, April 18th. Let's find out what is on our calendar. Right, we were not together for a few days. We had Friday off, and then we had Saturday and Sunday. So we have a few cards to turn today. We look at our first card. Ooh. Can I draw a line of symmetry through this? Let's see. If I drew a line going straight down, we would not have the same exact thing on both sides. If I tried to draw a line going straight across, we would not have the same exact thing on both sides if we folded it. So this is not possible to make a line of symmetry with this one. Let's try with the next one. Oh, we have a circle. And as we have been studying last month with shapes and all types of activities with number, corner, and fractions, we know that there are, believe it or not, just one, not just two, but endless possibilities of ways to draw lines of symmetry in this particular shape. And that's just a few. That's not all of them. But yes, we sure can make lines of symmetry with a circle. Let's try our next card, yesterday's card. Oh, we have a rhombus. We love rhombuses. As we look at the rhombus, we can draw a line of symmetry straight down the middle. And we can also, we could try to do one here, but I tell you, when you do that, it's not the same thing on both sides. So we just have that one line of symmetry for sure. Finally, we're on today's card. Let's find out what's going on with this one. Ooh, can we draw a line of symmetry? Can we draw a line where we have the same exact amount on both sides? I see a triangle here, and I also see a triangle here. But if we folded them in half, those two triangles would not be the same. So no, this shape, it's not possible to actually draw a line of symmetry. Great information here, friends. Great information. Let's go into our days in school. Wow, we are adding on more and more and more. This is incredible. So, my dears, we are now at 139 days in school together. 139. We'll change all of this information to reflect the number 139. So we'll have that as a number. Then we'll make the number word 139. Then we'll have 100 plus 35 plus 4 is one way to make 139. Then we have 50 plus 50 plus 39. Finally, we have been dealing with coins lately as we've talked about our days in school. So we have 4 quarters, which is equal to 100 cents or $1, plus 3 dimes. And now we are going to add another penny to it, which now makes 9 pennies to represent the 139. 139. As we continue to explore our number corner area, we were collecting popsicle sticks. Let's see. We collected quite a few of them last week. Last week we collected a total of 16 sticks. And we're going to write that information down because today we're going to start a brand new collection. So week 1 we collected 16 sticks. We'll keep that information handy dandy near us to help us as we continue with this activity. So we'll put these things back over to the side. And now we'll go on to our next activity of spinning for this day. How many sticks will we be able to add to our collection beginning this week? Here we go. It looks like it's on the line, but it really is on a number. And that number is 3. So today we're going to add 1, 2, 3 sticks to our collection. We'll say that. And for the last few minutes of our number corner time, I am going to have you, my dears, focus on another video explaining symmetry. I think the more you see it, the more you will really understand what it's all about. So, here we go.
Hi kids! Today we will learn symmetrical figures, asymmetrical figures, and line of symmetry. So let's get started. Here is an image of a heart. Can you fold it exactly halfway so that its 2 halves are exactly similar, or 1 half completely covers the other half? Let's try. Here we are folding it. Yeah, it completely covers the other half. And when you can fold a shape in half and 1 half exactly covers the other half, we can say that the shape is symmetrical. And the fold line is the line of symmetry. So this shape is a symmetrical shape. And this line of fold that divides the shape into 2 similar halves is the line of symmetry. Now, let's try this with another figure. Here we have an image. Let's try to fold it and see if it is a symmetrical figure or not. Here we are folding it. Yes, if we fold this image here, it completely covers the other half. So it's a symmetrical image. And this line of fold is its line of symmetry. Now, let's try the same with another figure. Here is a rectangle. Let's fold this rectangle halfway. If we fold it here, it does not work. Example, 1 half does not cover the other half. So let's try another way. Let's fold it this way. Yeah, if we fold it here, it works. That is, 1 half is completely covering the other half. So we got to know that this figure is symmetrical, and this line of fold is the line of symmetry. Now kids, you have a fair idea what are symmetrical figures and what is line of symmetry. Now,
That was very helpful information to help us understand symmetry more. I hope you have an amazing day, All-Stars. Off you go.